doing, fams? Welcome to another video. You're here with the Vee family. In today's activities, we're taking Big E to get something removed from his mouth. Should we show him?
Yeah.
Come on, Pissa, let me see it. Oh, damn.
Oh.
Enough, that's all we need to see, and that's all they need to see.
We're actually been really bad. We should have got it done like ages ago.
We just thought that it would heal up because he cut his long story short, he drank out of a pineapple can, which my wife always tells me not to do. He probably did it because I always do it. And yeah, he ended up cutting his lip, and it was a bit of a slice, and we thought, oh, it'll be alright. But then he ended up he kept biting onto it, and then it just became, it just healed the wrong way. So yeah, it's probably like 4 months later, and we went to the doctors, and then they referred us to Royal Children's Hospital, so hopefully we can get it sorted today. Before we go, we're
just gonna have to cut it ourselves because we ain't got the time for this.
He's asked us like 1,400 questions already in the car about what are they gonna do. I said they're gonna cut it with a butter knife.
My mom said to just get a filo and tie it around it.
Apparently Cherish's mom reckons to tie a string around it and it'll fall off. I think that's what they do with lafokongas or whatever it is. It's not a lafokonga. But yeah, we thought we'll bring these with you.
And he man actually preferred that method than bringing it to the hospital.
Because he even asked my mom if she could tie a rope to it. But yeah, we thought we'll bring you with us. Huh? Yeah, that's a cool bike. We need that. Then we can all be like a bike. I was gonna say a bike gang. Emergency. Let's go here, boys. He's going the wrong way. Yeah, bro. They muck around, G. Straight in there. I know. But it's one of those things, man. We get so busy that, man.
Honestly, that's the reason why we never have the time.
So if you're good friends and family with us and we don't catch up a lot, just go and watch our vlogs. We'll catch up on there. Yeah? We got here to the emergency room. We realized we forgot the referral sheet. So we've sent the boys to go get it.
We were able to drop off Ezekiel to his nana.
Yeah, bro, he didn't even hesitate. He just jumped in
the know how to relax.
He just jumped out of the car and just went. Oh yeah. Cheers. How's it going?
It's still hot. Get you one of these cups if you're like a slow drinker like me. Alright. And it keeps your coffee hot the whole day.
But it keeps it too hot for you because you normally like it warm.
Yeah, no, but I drink slow anyway, so I can enjoy it throughout the whole day. Usually by now, like, it'll be cold and I've only had like a quarter of it.
I need that for my coffee because I hate how it's gone cold, my black coffee. But yeah, we'll go see what they're going to do with Evander.
Easy.
Let's go.
Oh my god, look at all of these fishes. Look at that. Whoa, look at that giant one. Look at that big ass fat fish. Ooh. Look at those tiny fishes. Oh, look at that one. That one's my favorite. I'll name him Joey. Look at that fish. Look, point at that fish. Oh, whoa, look at that. What kind of fish? Look at that one. Oh, that one. Oh, for that other one. This one's a shark. Where? It's all the way in the water. We can't go in the water. Oh, there's a shark, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, we could go down. I don't want to go there. There's too much people. Oh. Bro, that one looks like weird.
Why does that one with the long nose keep...
I'm calling the... What do you think we should name that one? I'm naming that one the one with the long nose. Groot.
No, name of Pinocchio.
Okay.
Pinocchio. Because if Pinocchio flies and turns, his nose gets longer.
Oh, look at that. Hello, fishy. Oh, wow.
we saw. I don't know what that is. Is that a shark?
Yeah, and it looks like a mustache.
Well.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pinocchio. Pinocchio eating it.
Look at the tentacle over there. It's just floating around. Oh my gosh.
damn. Oh look, it's Nemo. It's Nemo? No, Dory.
Dory. Oh look, the other fish is eating the tentacle now.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him just dragging around the...
That is crazy. Oh look, the eel's back there.
Just ate the little octopus, bro. That fish should get brought out and cooked on the barbie.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. That's cute, Mom. How cute.
That is not cute.
Look at the shark right there.
Babe, look, there's like 2 sharks. I think they're sharks. Look, there's one there.
I've seen Eli got it before.
He said that's so crazy. As crazy as it is here in here, in like the waiting area. I don't know if you can see. I'll just show up. Look.
How cool is the fish
There was
thing?
oh yeah, the fish thing. But how cool is it? They have volunteers here that actually come around and ask whether you want water or coffee here at the Royal Children's Hospital.
She got it for us.
I know, it's so cool. This, I'll show you the lady. This, bless her soul, she's the one that got us the coffee, man. So nice.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, Australia is a good country, man. Good country. No,
Rat is gonna eat his lip, chop, chop, chop.
Let me see your teeth. Yeah, octopus teeth. Open your mouth, brother. Let me see.
I got one too. I'm just
Yeah,
joking.
yeah.
It's my bubble gum. I feel bad.
Why?
It's like being hurt.
Leave it that way. I'll check my boss.
Alright.
Put your hands up. This was a robbery. It was all a trick. This is not the Vee Family. I'm just joking.
Relax, man. Don't come by there.
Should have put a bigger bag.
Okay, Vanda's gonna get his lip gone away.
Go for a so. Oh, you're not going by there.
It's gonna be gone.
I tell him to do your lip too while we're here.
If you were gonna do it, oh, and then the violet one looks so good.
Is that your brother?
We're gonna cut off your stomach and take it all. Stop touching the stuff.
Why are you worried about him touching the stuff? Why?
I want.
So update is that
We cut it off.
shh.
We cut it off.
They can't do it today, but they're gonna get the plastic surgeons to come down and see when they're gonna do it and that. So I gotta wait again.
Plastic surgery is just a ginger face, not.
It's just a what?
People that change your face.
Plastic surgery.
I am too
They might change your
tired
face.
for my cup, Mom. I wanna eat.
But yeah, that's the update.
Something wrong? That's what happened. I bought a fridge.
Here we are back again. As we said, we've the fridge broke, so we finally found another one. Hopefully this one. And if you heard Richy, but he's asking the guy to make sure it doesn't break on us. Here we go. This time we got a single door. Baile me aqui. Oi! Cafiola. Esse aqui, ó. Olha, ka mga lunga pepe. Kyo. Berisu. Ah, esole. Thank you. Kok ay fish kamay pepe. Yeah, hopefully it works well. Yeah. Oh, let's hope. Smaller than what we wanted, but better than nothing right now. Richy was able to bargain it down to $350, so it looks pretty good condition, like pretty new.
He said that they bought this fridge or no, but you know how nice. That's what I'm saying.
Coca-Cola, yeah.
The fridge for free. Oh, you got it now. Yeah, but you want to give it for free.
I just wonder though, like if you're allowed to put other stuff in there or not. Yeah.
Just trying to apply for it and then...
I should just ask Marianne. She'll be able to tell us. Brother, what are you doing? You gonna stay there with the fridge? Falso la le pu. Falso le vangale, babe. The cage, yeah. Falso le. Yeah. What do you think, Ezekiel? Good fridge? No, we're not gonna close you in there. Hey, let's get things you can just stand at the back of the trailer. Now we've got to go. Now we're gonna go take this one to the market. Oh my gosh, my hair looks crazy. I had a nap in the car. I'm gonna take this one back to the to the market, and then we're gonna go pick up the broken one. And yeah, Richy's gonna get rid of that one. Time to bring. Oh, careful! Just push it, no? Ngay pa. Ezekiel, get over here. The gate's locked, so we're gonna push it in through the walk entrance. Oh my goodness. Ikaw yelo may mali ang ipauson. This is the entrance, and that is our container in the front now. The fridge is in. The old fridge is out. Now returning our trailer. This guy we always come to. We've come to him for, I don't know, probably ever since we moved to Melbourne. He's so nice, and he's so easy to hire the trailers off. The one that we had was, I think, a smaller size. So normally when we're moving houses, we always come here and we get the bigger one and the ones with the ramp. So this one was a smaller one. It's $45 a day, I think. So yeah, if you are in Melbourne and you need a trailer to hire, come down to Ring Road Rentals. I'll put it somewhere here. They're located in Sunshine. When we first hired off him, he was running it from his home, and then when and then he started I think he was hiring vans as well, but when COVID hit he had to sell all his vans, and then when he reopened up he ended up business started booming again, and now he's opened a warehouse for all his trailers. So cool to see people businesses expand and grow.
These are the donuts that we get, and we always get our donuts from here. We always get our donuts from here, yeah?
But the only ones that do it nice.
Yeah.
Everywhere else is like oily.
I know. They make the best donuts. And they make alright banh mi roll as well, but we get our banh mi roll from somewhere else. It's literally just right next to it. As I was saying, this is the one that we get our donuts from, and then the one that we get our banh mi roll from is actually like a walk away. It closed down though. Oh, you mean for this one? Yeah. But this one here has one in St. Albans too, but it shut down. And now we just, yeah, they're only in Sunshine. But this is our favorite one. Why is it our favorite one, babe?
Because they fill it up.
Yeah. And even they put the pad thai on more.
Everywhere else they're stingy with their pad thai now.
Let's get in there. What was that?
These used to be $1 each. And then went $1.50. Now they're $2 each.
I remember when she said 20 when we asked for 10, I was like, in my head I was like, yeah, they're nice though. Nice things aren't cheap anymore. Hey babe. The kids are at school, and Ezekiel, we were meant to bring him and he cried to stay at my mom's, so we're like, oh yep, get away. You don't get any of this. Look at that, man.
Đánh cũng được, nhưng mà thằng Tho nó đánh hay hơn. Tho là tiền. Tho là thằng
Thank you.
Lào đó.
So we got our banh mi. They're a bit rude, so it's like, man. Like I think maybe I was videoing her, but I guess she was right. She was right. Cherish was like, am I gonna change my favorite? Because that's my favorite banh mi roll place. But I was like, nah, I shouldn't have videoed her. I was gonna say to her, I'm only saying good things about you. But she was. They're always a bit rude though sometimes. Oh.
Their customer service is a bit.
It's not the best. Don't go there for their customer service. Because even the owner, the lady, you remember? Bro,
They never like smile.
No. So they're just only feeding off their boss. We'll show you the banh mi roll now. Look at that, bro. They fill it up with a lot of meat. Look at that ratio. It looks like 20% veggies and then 80% of meat, man. It's can't go wrong, man. Honestly. Oh.
The bun is like nice and crispy.
Super good. If you're ever in Melbourne, come check it out. And they put so much pad thai on it there. Show you. Oh my gosh. How's your one, man?
I normally get chili as well, but right now my heartburn is so bad of anything spicy that I eat.
Oh yeah, look, in the heart of Sunshine. That place there is the. I'll show you right there. That Thua and An, that's one of our favorite Vietnamese places. A lot of our favorite foods here in Sunshine, eh, babe? Now, I'm gonna demolish this now. Later.
What are we here for?
Ice.
Are you sure? No, that's so big. Look how messy that Dubai chocolate is. Bye. Yeah. I do. Thank you. What's the last one? See, your that is a massive ice cream. I got Kinder Surprise. What did you get, Eli? Rainbow. What did you get? Hazelnut. Ezekiel got mango sorbet. We came to grab some more eggs because the last time we came there was a limit on the eggs at the egg farm that we usually go to, and there was only 2 trays per person, so we had to come back today to grab some more. Luckily we got there literally at 4 and they were closing, but they're so nice. They let us take 4 each even though there was a 2 limit, so thank God we got more than what they told us we could have. But yeah, so we stopped by. I actually did it for us to usually there's sprinkles on the way to the egg farm, but when I put in the maps they put in a different one, so we're in a point cook sprinkles. This one. What you give, babe? Goody gumdrop. Yummy, baby? So we thought we'll stop by the kids to grab some ice cream after we grab the eggs. It's so good. I love the size of their scoops, hey babe? Usually the other places, they're so tiny, their scoops. What was that?
This used to be my, like this one and the chocolate chip orange.
There's actually notice in there.
Ezekiel always has to go with the non-dairy one.
Hey, Mom.
Yummy?
Hey.
Cheers. Okay. Cheers.
Mom,
Ding.
this one's unhealthy. Mom, this
Babe, look.
What is it?
Let's look at that.
What is it?
At Daddy's face. Oh my gosh, babe, what's that? Ah, it's so smart, baby. Oh, got a scoop.
Well, they do it. Like I remember when I was little and I see kids do it, I'm like, bro, that's the worst.
Did you do it, Bessa? Did you bite the bottom? Because they're just gonna drip down. The only one that's nice to do that is trumpet because there's chocolate there.
But then you ruin, that's the whole point of having it down, so you can eat it and then...
It holds it from dripping in.
No, like, it's like a surprise, like after you eat that, you're like, yes.
Ah. I thought because it's chocolate, it stops the cone from melting.
Chocolate's the only one that has the chocolate.
Yeah. Oh, Uma. Come on, baby. Give it to Dad to put in the rubbish. Whereas you could just smashed his one. I'm baking the cookies. Some have already been done. So our red velvet cheesecake, our Oreo Nutella, and I've started on some of our chocolate chip. Chocolate chip Nutella. Richie started on the bruffins. These are our brownies. That's our Snickers. That needs to get topped so it's filled with peanut butter. This one's our Nutella that's filled with Nutella and it gets topped with chocolate, and the Snickers gets topped with a Snicker bar. And we ate this. We always forgot to vlog. And so we're like so gutted. We're like, oh, we never get them on any of the vlogs, eh? Because this is what we normally eat here. And now the one time that we do vlog it, it's not the usual.
Because the lady, it's her daughter. But yeah, the actual lady when she's here, she makes nice. Is it still nice?
Yum, yeah.
Oh, okay. I think because it just doesn't look the way.
Bro, their flavor is so big on a pad thai. We love our pad thai.
Yo.
But yeah, we prefer chicken.
I know. Yeah. Anyways, her English is not too good. But yeah.
It's so yum.
Oh, okay, it is nice then. Okay. I was just taken away from the actual steak. I was just like, man, it's meant to be chicken, man.
You're still waiting on your
spring rolls. Yeah. I hope they got it.
It's so yum.
It is though. It's actually good. The flavors that she has is hectic. Delivery for cherry blossom.
spring rolls are ready. It's a massive. Did they apologize for the chicken?
I feel sorry for everyone here because they're outside.
Yeah, the foot traffic is just really bad here.
And I think they all depend on it, but it's
Yeah.
like, I just came from there and they're just like, oh, like if I go too much there, they make me feel sad.
Yeah.
Like, damn.
And because we're only here 2 days of the week, but most of them are here like 6 days a week, eh? Last night's sushi. Richie has gone to deliver one of our cakes, so I'm here on my own. I would actually prefer to be the one taking the cake, but unfortunately the cake is heavy and I can't carry it on my own, so Richie has to be the one to take it, and I'm here at the pop-up shop by myself. But I realized I haven't shown you guys what we have in the cabinet this weekend, so let's have a look. Here are our muffins, or our brownie muffins. We got our cookie time, Nutella, Biscoff. Dubai chocolate is slowly becoming the favorite right now. We have red velvet cheesecake, Snickers, and our Oreo cheesecake. And those 7 are our muffins, brownie flavors, and then we have our caramel slice, and then we have our stuffed cookies as well. So we have our chocolate chip and double choc, and these 2 are Nutella stuffed. And then we have our red velvet and our double choc, and these are cheesecake stuffed. And then we have Mom's Fa'ausi Mogengi, and of course our cookies. These are so dangerous. And we showed you guys earlier our new fridge. Here it is in action. Here it is. The banoffees have been flying out the door. I'm so happy to finally have, that's what we have left over. The caramel slices, those are going as well. But it's so good to finally have a working fridge again. I just finished restocking the cookies. I was gonna restock the muffins, but that should be fine for now. And the caramel slice, we just have a few out on display, and then the rest are in the fridge so that they all don't melt at once.
I meant to get the cookie, and it's all that's left of the cookie. We made it and then I didn't even show it.
We always try and do a post on our socials. We do it like so people come, but really it's because we just like eating.
We do. I felt like that
It's a
today.
good reason to
Yeah.
enjoy. I wanted the Biscoff, but this guy just went and did the Nutella.
I wanted to taste it. I said, to be honest, now I'm looking at the cookie. But now I'm like, maybe I don't know. To be honest, I reckon the Nutella one. It always gets me. But we just had Nutella cookies, so I think it might have to be a double choc cheesecake. Oh, you don't know about that name, double choc cheesecake. Come down and get yours.
Chase is here. He wants you to push him.
You'll figure it out.
Careful! Oh no! You okay? You okay? Ezekiel! Oh my gosh, where's he even going? Ezekiel! Hi! Hi! Time is it?
You know what time it is? Brother, can you just bring it down? Can you bring it down?
Right.
Bring it down a little bit.
What are we having?
It's break time. Brother, this guy keeps bumping in. Can you just bring it down a bit? A little bit of a food review here. Finally getting to taste one of the vendors that are on the same market that we're at.
Yeah.
Indian, and he reckons he makes a good butter chicken. But I'll be the judge of that. Let me just try the chicken.
Let's go. Good? Ah.
Damn, my boy Vicky wasn't lying. He makes it alright. I was kind of mocking him because I was like, how can a vegetarian make a good butter chicken? You don't even eat chicken. It's good, it's got like a different flavor to it. It's hectic. Dali. Quite far away, get five more reviews. How good is it though? Nah, just tasting one of the brothers at the back's butter chicken oos.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually good, eh?
Like butter chicken from New Zealand.
I know. I actually was like, I was worried to taste it because I didn't want to tell people that it actually tastes good, but it actually does. It's got like a different taste to it though.
It's like a bit more sweeter.
Yeah. And it's a little bit hot. It's actually really good. Yeah, and he's got the, did you try the naan bread? Solu, I just found like a good, you know how butter chicken in New Zealand? Solu, this guy, I thought he was pepperlo, that it wasn't nice, but it is nice. Now that there's an Indian shop at the back. It's nice. What about the naan bread? Is it good? Nice?
I prefer like
Look at that. Yeah. I was the one that actually asked for the cheese. I thought, oh, go hard or go home. Lima's Michael Chan. Simple dumpling. And he goes like this. Kakala ifro unko
what's his name? Mark?
It's the guy that said he didn't want an ice cream, eh? How is it, G? Gangster? Here at the where we're at, they also sell ice creams now. They sell these ones like the ones in New Zealand. So babe, this guy said that he didn't want one, and then last minute he's like, oh, I do want one. How's it? Are you having another one?
Yes, sir.
Mango? Is it good? You don't want it, Bissell?
No, he is.
Let me have a take. Oh damn, the mango one's nice, eh? See that? Hey? It's the best farsi you're ever gonna taste in your life. Sunday morning and we're heading over to pick up the boys. We're gonna go have kohai at Cherish's dad's house.
Oh.
Because he offered that he was cooking. So they don't bring anything, so you cannot not take that offer.
Exactly. Easy goes Gonski's at the back.
Lucky is also we'll get to my mom's house and you'll start screaming.
I know.
Comment down below if you've tasted my mother-in-law's paoxi. I don't normally like this stuff, but I like this. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
And whenever people that are not Samoan come and they're like, what's that? And I always have to explain it. Look at them. I always describe it as how do you say, Arta Samoan dessert. It's like a pumpkin dumpling, and it's in a coconut caramel sauce. So I'm just, I don't know how else to explain it. That's so good. Also got me some ears yesterday. I'm from one of our little market stores. So they're like the ones next to us. Got me 3 ears because everything is just so uncomfortable right now.
They got heaps of like the lady next door to us. She's Samoan. She has like ears,
Kulakasi's dresses and that.
juices, aloas, evagangas.
She even had Mifoki as well.
Don't go to the Fijian shop over in Lamington. Come over there to that lady and support a small business. That guy's already got enough money.
Yeah, but I like the ears because they're 2 meters, so they're long, so I can wrap it around my big tummy.
I was gonna say, because you know that yellow one you got?
Yeah, you can't wrap
mess
it
it
around.
in.
Yeah, oh yeah, the other ones. These are my favorite. My sister-in-law, my brother's partner, she got me ears from her as well. Every time I'm pregnant, she always grabs them for me. Well, I was at the market yesterday and my tights were just so fufusi, and so I needed something to wear.
I was thinking you wear tights here.
I thought they were gonna be comfy, and then by the end of the day, I was struggling.
Is that, babe? That's the Fijian luau that your dad was talking about. Apparently this is the Fijian way of luau.
Meat's so nice.
Is it? What is it, mamoe? I think this is their leftover dinner. I just warmed it up. And you got mamoe.
There's luau as well.
What's wrong? Oh, what's this then? Damn, double.
I don't know if it's different.
I want to. You know what that is? It's more beef, man.
Gonna make some boing popos. Hopefully they come out right. Haven't made it in ages. Just gonna cut my dough into 24 pieces.
Told her everything she knows. Let's see.
We had our perota boing popo.
I know. Oh, that's your one, eh? Oh, see how it's done. That's for the coconut to go in. But you do it fast as. So fast how you do it.
Oh.
There's a bit of it's actually nice. True. Where'd you get it off? Cooking with Rona, eh?
I don't know. I watched it somewhere. It might have been.
That's mad.
I've been craving cinnamon buns.
I know.
I wanted to make them, but we didn't have all the ingredients, and we only had enough ingredients for boing popo, so that's what we're making.
Oh, bobo. Let's go. You know, babe.
I'm trying to dissolve the sugar that I added to the pepe. I added some water in there. I don't know if I added too much water. That looks alright, eh?
Nah, that looks alright.
Once the sugar dissolves, then I'll add it to the
Now?
buns.
Oh, yeah,
and then
true.
put it on there. I'm just gonna add half to the buns, and then add the other half later once it's cooked.
Mm-hmm.
And also just soak it all up with the
Look at the seasoning.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's beef. That's not seasoning.
Ow.
Yeah, what?
They're floating around.
Do it. Are you just gonna chuck them in now?
I'm gonna chuck the first two in, and then
Oh, because there's four. Oh, yeah, second.
and then we'll chuck those ones in now.
Yeah.
Give it a bit more time.
Yeah.
Now in the oven. Let's go.
Come on. Hurry! Get the couple
Boing popos are ready. The first two trays. I'm just adding a bit more coconut cream onto the buns. Can never have too much. Look at that goodness. That's the lights. Oh. Hopefully that's cooked through properly. Looks so good.
Taste it. What do you reckon, us? Fire. Let's see this. Is it? Oh. Oh, damn, that does. Let me just turn on the light. Solid, babe, this is. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Damn. That's fire, man. Damn.
Yeah, leave it there. So good. But these one that just came out. Ooh.